Looking for vertical mouse? Let's check it out. Hey yo, what's up guys, it's me Mr. Game here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting unboxing for you guys, and this time around I'm trying out the VictSing vertical mouse. As you all may know that mouse is one of the most essential product that most of the working from home adult will need to increase their productivity or anything that makes them work faster. And I have been eyeing for one of the vertical mouse for quite some time. Logitech has its own version of vertical mouse, but I find it's really too expensive and I really want to try it before I purchase a good one, because after all they are very different in terms of shape and the holding position. So I went online and checked during the Double 11 sale, so I got this at a very reasonable price, which is about 20 Sing dollar, and that is about 16 USD dollar. Alright, enough of talking and let's get into unboxing. Sadly, the packaging box I received was already damaged in the first place, so nothing fancy to check about the packaging box. And once you open it up, you will see two manuals. One is the installation guide and another is a promo mechanic. So let's check the mouse itself. So over here, I must say, very strange feeling, because ultimately I have never used a vertical mouse before, but this texture is kind of nice. It has this velvet finishing and the mouse is a very standard standing mouse. I would think so. So I will quickly jump into my usage of the mouse. So first of all, this mouse uses two AAA battery, and inside there's also a Bluetooth receiver, so you can use it wirelessly. And now I'm just going to quickly install this AAA battery and using this on my Mac. So I'm going to show you now some close-up of the product. They have painted over the plastic, I believe so, with their own branding, and there is a dedicated DPI button, which I have no idea where I can see the DPI. There is a scroll, but it is not those hyper scrolling feature that you will see, and there is also two dedicated buttons on the thumb area. And I must say that this feeling is kind of weird because I have never used a vertical mouse like I said before. So while holding on it, it feels quite comfortable, but it's just that I'm not very used to this vertical format. Perhaps because too used to those normal flat mouse. As you can see, I'm having a hard time clicking on the thumbnail itself because I will tend to have a little bit of force, which makes it slide towards the left. Of course, this is not a faulty mouse, it's just more on the user problem, which is me. I do a lot of design work in Illustrator or Photoshop, so this is just a quick testing of me using the pen tool, selecting and clicking to see how quickly and accurate it is. So I find it really hard for me to use this mouse as my daily driver, as I probably am too used to those typical kind of mouse, and I'm currently using the Logitech G502 as my main driver mouse. Perhaps if somebody are using a vertical mouse, maybe you can comment in the comment section below and let's have some chat and let me know what you think about this vertical mouse if you have used one before. So alright guys, that's the end of my video. If you find this video interesting, do give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye.